Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ayiz and Mirha vlogs. Right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I've just got up to get ready for work and it's pouring it down outside. Such a gloomy day, so because I'm in the office today I won't be recording a lot, but I am going to try and get as much as I can together for you all to watch. Well, obviously with Ayiz and Mirha. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share. Enjoy. So I'm just on the way to work here, so I thought I'd show you guys some of the grey clouds. It's a horrible day in the UK. Hope wherever you're watching from you have some sun at least, but it doesn't look like we're going to be getting any sun today, but I really hope it does brighten up by the time I get home so I can just try and see if we can get Ayiz and Mirha out. So I'm going to leave you guys here to enjoy the rest of the journey. Well, not all the way because it is quite a long journey. I don't want to bore you to death. But the next time you see the next clip, you'll find me at home with Ayiz and Mirha, inshallah. I'll see you then.
डंगर को गई
Don't hit her. Ayiz, where have you been today? Ayiz, where have you been? Where did you go? No, look at me. Where did you go? Oi!
क्या उसकी नेड़े नहीं लगन देना पे बस ना ला
Ayiz, where did you go? Ayiz, where did you go?
अरे मैं क्या करूँ
Oi. जी जी What are you two doing? Ayiz, Mirha, whose shoes are you wearing?
शूज अपने तब इको पे कह पे मामा तियां लोड 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 के चली
Mirha, whose shoes are you wearing?
No, no, beta.
Ayiz, what are you doing?
No. चला.
Do you want to fall? Ayiz, do you want to
किधर
fall?
गए थे यार? आज
Where have you
किधर
been
गए
today?
थे? ग्राउंड गए थे. ग्राउंड गए थे. तजुबारे को देखा? तजुबारे को देखा? तजुबारे को देखा? ग्राउंड में था तजुबारा.
केड़ा चाचू बारा बना चली
एक मुड़ा सी ते बाकी सारे नाल रोवे. मम्मा. करे तो उधर सलाम नहीं लवे तो दल वेखे नहीं. मुड़ा सी ना तो काम कर. वो बारे यार उन्होंने भी हल्की की दाढ़ी रखी सी ना.
ओहो सकदा है
Ayiz, where have you been today? You're supposed to stay at home when I'm at work. Do you understand? You're not allowed to go anywhere. Okay? Look at me. Look at me. Mirha, did you stay at home today? Were you a good girl? Yeah? Don't look at me like that.
ओए
ओए किथे जाने
वो
चलो फिर Where? Kudhar? Where? Why did you say chalo fir? Where? Where? So I'm the one that's just come home after 8 hours and he doesn't care. Ayiz. Ayiz, Dada's upstairs. Ayiz, Dada is upstairs. Where are you going? किधर जा रहे हो? हैं? वो नहीं, वो Dada की कार नहीं है. That's not Dada's car. Your Dada's gone. No, that's not Dada's car. Where are you going? Put him in the car in the back.
अपनी सीट पे चलो पीछे. अपनी सीट पे चलो. शॉपिंग करने चलो चलो. शॉपिंग करने चले. अपनी सीट पे चलो ना. हाँ अपने ड्राइव तो नहीं करनी ना. चलो. आज बेटा. मम्मा पास चलो पीछे. चलो. हेलो. आज बेटा. Let's go. गिली 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 गिली. चलो मामा पास.
After his dad left for work, he started throwing the biggest tantrum, so I've had to bring him out. Ayiz, किधर जा रहे हो? No, you can't run. Ayiz. What are you getting? What is it? क्या है Ayiz? क्या है Ayiz? Shall we go pay then? Eyes this way. Eyes this way. Down there. Come on. Ayiz, are you going to give Gaga one? You're going to give that to Gaga as well? You're going to share? Alright, come on. No, we have to go this way. Come on. Should I go? Are you going to give one card to Gaga? Yeah? Why are you hiding from me? You're gonna fall. Come on, let's go to Gaga. Ayiz, come on, let's go to oh, the birds. The birds are gonna chase you. The birds are gonna chase you. Come on, Ayiz. Ayiz, come on. Gaga crying at home. Oh my God, Gaga crying. Okay, bye. I'm going to Gaga. Jana Gaga ke paas. Come on then. Come on. Are you chasing the birds? This way. Beta, you're gonna fall. Nice. Right, let's go to Gaga this way. That way, that way, that way. After some running back and forth, I have finally made it home with Ayiz, and I'm glad that the day did brighten up in the end, the weather. So I was able to take him out after his little tantrum. So I just took him to the local home bargains and got him some cars, and he was really happy with that. On that note, I am going to end the vlog here. If you have enjoyed the video today, please make sure you do subscribe. As always, your support is greatly appreciated. I will see you in the next vlog, inshallah. Take care of yourself until then. Allah Hafiz.